One way to keep your lovely kitchen looks tidy is by adding a rack. You may consider a hanging rack because it is small and you don't need to get confused to prepare a large space. IKEA GLÖMSTA is something that you need. This IKEA GLÖMSTA review shows to you why you have to install this rack in your kitchen. Design. The design is simple and stylish enough for a modern kitchen. It is a hanging rack with 4 hooks, so you can't only hang some kitchen utensils on the hook, but also put at least 4 small herbs bottles on the rack. The product is made of 2 colors, which are white for the rack and green for the hooks. You are about to use a 32.3 cm width by 6.5 cm depth by 12 cm height rack, and it is small enough so you can hang it anywhere you want around the kitchen, such as at the top of the kitchen sink. Materials. Just because the design is compact, it doesn't mean that this product is easily damaged. The rack is made of 4 different materials. The tray or hook is made of recycled ABS plastic, whereas the suction cups are made of synthetic rubber. Polystyrene plastic is used for the insert and PET plastic is for the support. Based on this IKEA GLÖMSTA review, this product is durable enough. Even the rack can hold up to 3 kilograms. Features. Besides the good-looking design and durable materials, GLÖMSTA Rack by IKEA is also supported by several features to keep it works well. For example, the rack has several suction cups and it grips on the smooth surface tight and holds the rack well. You can stick it on the glass, mirrors, and tiles without using any additional items. As a result, you don't have to damage the surface only to hang the rack. Just clean the surface and stick the cups on it. The rack is also designed along with 4 hooks where you can store some kitchen utensils such as a cutting board, sieve, small pan, knife, and many more. There is a tray on top of the hook and you can put some other items there such as some small bottles for herbs, spices, oil, or vinegar. Easy to take care. This rack doesn't special treatment only to clean it up. You just need to wipe all the parts with a soft cloth. Damp the soft cloth in the water before using it. If it is necessary, you can mix the water with detergent or soap, but mostly a wet soft cloth without additional detergent or soap is still powerful enough to clean the rack. It shows that IKEA GLÖMSTA is easy to clean and you can use it for a long time. So, if you need a new rack for your kitchen, you can consider buying IKEA GLÖMSTA. The IKEA GLÖMSTA review above shows the reason why you should hang it in the kitchen. In the end, your kitchen looks tidier than before and you can use the utensils easily anytime you need them.